Hello, my lovelies. I have an exciting project to share today. Yes, I'm a little excited about it. It's my hat. Not just any hat, it is the reversible hat. Don't mind my hair. Check this baby out. It can go from this to this. And it can be three-toned. Look, it can be a slouch, a long hat. Watch this. This is cool. It can be like a super long hat, like this. You can fix this. I'll show you what it's about. Okay. What you want to do, if you are a crocheter, find your favorite pattern. It can be single stitch, double stitch, or whatever. Measure around your head and just make one big loop. Now you can make it permanent by doing this. In the center, wherever that center is, you can stitch it together so it can't move. But what I like to do is to get a hairband, or you can take and get something decorative that you crochet even. It can be like a pom-pom thing. And then you just kind of adjust it. It's like an adjustable hat. You can make it like really long. See this? And even like tie it off, like make this be like the pom-pom like even. Isn't this super cool? Like you can, might have to be tighter, but like you can wear it like that, you know what I mean? You'd make this tighter, I mean, obviously at the bottom, or, you can make it into a slouchy, I mean, just kind of mess with it. I mean, in a pinch, this is really cool. You can take it and use it like for a muff, like say you're freezing and your hands are cold. You can like put your hands in it like this. See what I mean? You can, if you make it really long, like if you want it really super long, you can even use it like a little scarf. But I think this is really cool. I mean, I know it looked funny when I put the one part on, but basically, the main reason I like this hat is for the reversible feature. I just take it like this, and then look. Isn't that nice? The reason I would put a hair thing on it is because at this end it will be like open if you don't, so you want to close it off because it will be too cold if you don't add a hair thing. Don't mind my hair. But isn't this cool? And it's really simple. And you can, if you're an Etsy seller or something like that, or you can come up with some great idea or cute thing. Little kids, you can put animal or something on it. But see, just basically all you're doing is moving this little hair thing in there, and you can perfect it. This is just the basic one, which is why I wanted to show it to you. I didn't want to make it too complicated because I wanted you to be able to repeat it. So all you're doing is crocheting a big tube that measures around your head. Now you could have some fun with this too. You could even try to make gloves or something else out of it. But see, it's just one big tube from this end to this end. And you can play with colors and make all different colors. But like I said, you need some kind of a thing to, so otherwise it'll be open. So once you put a hair tie or make some kind of tie, then it's completely closed and it is adorable. And I think it's so, so cute. And like I said, you can cut, there's a million ideas with this. And it's super, super easy. And you can make one for everyone in your family. And what's really the best part of it, and I'm actually going to be wearing this year when I go to some farming events, because it's freezing cold and I'm sitting outside for hours and hours and hours, and this is really warm, is it's because it is doubled, it's super warm. And say my husband gets cold, because sometimes maybe they don't bring my hat, his hat, I can turn it into a man's hat, although I doubt he'll wear it, but you can always turn it into a boy's hat. So if you have girls and boys, you can always flip it around to, see, isn't that cute? It could be a boy's, but just make sure you have something in there to close the end off. But that's how you do a reversible hat. That can be used in many, many ways. And like I said, you can make it really long. And if you make it really long, you can use it as a scarf too. Okay, so this is Ruthie with the Pople Backyard Farm, sharing a fun crochet project with you. And sorry about the messy hair, because now it's all messy, but oh wow, such is life. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. And remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm.